Chelsea, try to fit her head in the mailbox. Oh, you're nasty. Do it, do it, do it, do it.
Ow!
Hi, retard. Let me try.
Do it again.
There it goes. Oh, 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 oh! My turn. Hey.
Tiffany, I don't think your big head can fit in there.
Save me.
I didn't.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Here, everything. Come here.
We are having fun and she almost threw up in the street. Yeah.
I was dying. I have to go again.